Left, right, mid. It's a very simple function, but we'll see. Yeah. Left is return the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. So if I select this, I need Purnima, but again, मैं manually count करना या फिर manual work avoid करता हूँ. बस understand the concept here. I can't write it कि इसमें कितने हैं. For now, I'll just say, okay, 7 characters. I got it. I got the left character out of it. Right. Arguments को please याद रखिएगा. It says text and number of characters. I'll take 5 क्योंकि जोशी जी में 5 है. It is counting right to left, and that is from left to right. That is where the function name comes in. So if I write right, it says return the specified number of characters from the end of a text string. So it is counting from right to left. In case of left, it is counting from left to right. So when you do this, text number of characters, I want 5. Shush. In case of middle, return the characters from the middle of a text string given a starting position and the length. Arguments याद रखिएगा please. Text start num. Okay. Start num क्या होना चाहिए इस केस में? So I don't have any idea, right? So what shall I write here to get the middle? So यहाँ पे तो middle नहीं है. Let's try this one then. Let's drag it as well. That's fine. Now middle name exists in here. Middle, so you have this text. Start number. अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि इसकी length, this first name की length is a start of the middle, or you can say if I add +1 to it, I can probably start with k here, right? अगर मैं बोलूं कि इससे मैं length निकाल रहा हूँ निकिता की, which is the first name, obviously उसके बाद space है जो कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मैं यहाँ या तो +1 कर दूं, या फिर अगर मैं नहीं भी करूंगा, later on I can use trim to remove a space, but still let me use 1 ताकि वो k से start हो. Makes sense till now? So we have taken the text. Start number is the one, Nikita की जो length है, name की length है, +1 to include space, and then now it will start from k for sure. अब हमें ये नहीं पता कि कुमार में कितने alphabets हैं. I have no clue. So what shall I do now? Let's take a random thing then. 6 characters. कुमार. यहाँ 6 हमने मैन्युअली लिखा है, जो कि हमें नहीं लिखना चाहिए था. Okay. So you'll have this as a middle name.